In a class of n students, the number of girls is one more than the number of boys. So we have here we need to circle the number of girls. It's one more than the number of boys. What is the number of girls in the class in terms of n? In terms of n. Okay, first how we solve this problem. Let n, since it's the number of students in the class, n is the number of students in the class. So in terms of n, we can say it's number of girls plus number of boys. Now, what do we have here? We have the number of girls is equal to 1 more than the number of boys. It's the number of boys added to it, add to it 1. So number of girls equal boys, number of boys plus 1. But we need to find number of boys in terms of number of girls. Why? Because we need to find the number of girls. So boys equal girls minus 1. Boys equal girls, and we take 1 to the other side, or we subtract 1 from both sides to get boys equal girls, number of girls minus 1. If we substitute this in the original equation, what do we have? We have n equal number of girls, we leave it, girls, plus number of boys, we substitute instead of boys, girls minus 1, and we add minus 1, we add the plus 1 to both sides of equality to get n plus 1 equal minus 1 plus 1 cancel, girls plus girls, 2 times number of girls. What does that mean? If we need to find the number of girls, we divide by 2 each side of the equality to get the number of girls is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. This is how we solve it in a mathematical way. But sometimes we need to solve in a faster way, especially when we solve n plus 1 over 2, it's part C. This one is correct. Sometimes we need to solve in a faster way, especially when we solve SAT. Let us consider the number. Since the number of girls is more than the number of boys by 1, this means the class has an odd number of students. So n is equal to n is odd number. What do we have here? We have, if let, for example, number of girls, let n equal number of students be 31, for example. Okay, can we say 31 divided by 2? No, this is correct. This is incorrect. Can we say n divided by 2? It's also incorrect. Can we say 2n plus 1 divided by 2? Whatever n is, if we multiply it by 2 and we add to it 1, it also be odd number. We cannot divide it by 2, so this is not correct. So the only correct ones may be C or E. Okay, let's say this one. N minus 1 divided by 2, it's 31 minus 1 divided by 2. The answer is 30 divided by 2, so it's 15. And this one is 31 plus 1 divided by 2, so the answer is 32 divided by 2, so it is 16. Okay, this will be the number of boys, and this will be the number of girls, so we can directly choose it from the choices.